In this video, I'm going to show you two ways how you can quickly download Canva on your PC or laptop. So the first way is to really, if you're inside Canva in your browser, you can click your profile in the lower left, and here you have the option Get Canva app. You click in that, it's going to open up a new window, and you can download Canva on your Windows, right? And that basically works for Windows 10 or later. So that simply means Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, you know that Canva also is available for Chromebook, Android, iOS, and Mac OS. Now, another way how you can get Canva on your PC, you can do that by click the Windows key in your keyboard or taskbar and typing up the store, Microsoft Store. Once you open up Microsoft Store, you can search the Microsoft Store for Canva as well. It's available there, so simple type in Canva and you will see the Canva app. You click there and you can click and get Canva app. No, I have Canva on my PC already, which I installed from here, as you can see, and that's why it's showing open. And so I can open up Canva from here because I have it on my computer. And as you can see, I have the app here and I just need to go ahead and just, let's say, into the browser. As you can see, it says log in through the browser. I will need to do that and just simply redirect. It's going to redirect me, continue with the app. And so it's going to allow me to continue with the Canva app. And so you can see right here is trying to log me in and I'll be inside Canva using the app as you can see right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can basically download Canva on your Windows PC or laptop. Two easy ways, one from the Microsoft Store, or you can do that directly from within the browser, as you can see as well. So that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.